A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark ruling, the European Court of Justice has ordered Malta to terminate its controversial Golden Passport program, a scheme that allowed affluent individuals to purchase EU citizenship. This decision marks a significant turning point in the ongoing debate over citizenship by investment programs, which have come under increasing scrutiny across Europe. The court's judgment asserts that Malta's program represents a commercialization of nationality, violating European Union law. This ruling arrives even after Malta had suspended the program for citizens of Russia and Belarus amid heightened geopolitical tensions. The Golden Passport initiative was one of the last remaining in Europe, following the termination of similar programs in Cyprus and Bulgaria. The European Commission had launched infringement procedures against both Malta and Cyprus back in 2020, highlighting concerns over the potential for corruption, money laundering, and the overall integrity of EU citizenship. The court emphasized that Malta had failed to fulfill its obligations to the EU, echoing sentiments expressed by critics who argue that such programs undermine the principles of European citizenship. Initially, these programs were seen as a means for countries to bolster their economies, especially in the aftermath of the 2009 financial crisis. However, as the years progressed, many nations began to abandon them due to their association with various social and economic issues. The links to housing crises, fears of white-collar crime, and security concerns, especially after incidents like the 2018 Salisbury poisoning, have contributed to the decline of these programs. Additionally, the imposition of sanctions on Russian citizens following Moscow's military actions in Ukraine has further complicated the situation. Interestingly, this ruling comes at a time when U.S. President Donald Trump has proposed a Golden Card visa initiative, offering a pathway to U.S. citizenship for a hefty price of $5 million. This juxtaposition of policies between the EU and the U.S. raises questions about the future of citizenship by investment programs globally. As Malta grapples with the implications of this ruling, it remains to be seen how other nations will respond. Will they follow suit in dismantling their own citizenship by investment schemes? Or will they attempt to adapt them in compliance with evolving legal standards? The landscape of global citizenship is undoubtedly shifting, and Malta's decision to close its Golden Passport program may set a precedent for other countries navigating similar waters. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.